In this video, I'm going to show you how to flip images in StrawPage. Now, you can't actually directly flip an image inside StrawPage, however, there's a nice little workaround. So, I simply went to Google over here and typed in image flipper, and you can use any of these over here. I'm just going to select this first one, and it's so simple to use. You just have to choose a file from your computer, and then when you find it, you can just go ahead and basically upload your image like this, and then you can select how you want it to be flipped. So over here, I have two options, either horizontally or vertically. I'm just going to flip this one horizontally, and then whenever you're ready, click on flip, and it's going to flip your image. There we go, and you can now go ahead and download it again. So I'm going to click on PNG here. It's going to get downloaded, and I can come back, delete the current image over here inside my StrawPage page, just like this. Click on plus, and then over here select image again. I can go and click on the flipped image, click on open, and there we go. I can click on add this image, and this is going to basically add on the flipped image inside StrawPage. Now, I know this is not the most convenient way. Of course, it takes a bit of time to do that. You can do it directly in here, but you get the point. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.